Hello, my name is Martha, and here's my story. I have always been active and consider myself healthy until about 2 years ago. Throughout my life, I have followed the standard American diet and several others without permanent success. Last year, I was increasing my vegetable intake and diminishing my meat consumption, especially red meat, due to the negative publicity it has been given through the years. It wasn't until I started experiencing severe joint pain that I started questioning everything I knew. I had severe joint pain and inflammation. It was then when I began to think that something was wrong. I shared these symptoms with my son, and he shared with me the carnivore diet. I was really shocked at first, but he suggested I tried it for 30 days, so I did, because I would do anything to get rid of the awful joint pain I was experiencing. In addition, the inflammation was awful. Some days my hands one looked bigger than the other due to the inflammation. I began my carnivore journey on January 1st, 2019. On the fourth day, my joint pain went away. It disappeared. Later, my lingering knee problem also went away, and today I haven't experienced it, and I don't remember exactly in how many months, but I can say that at least 4 months I haven't experienced knee pain. In addition, I had sinus problems. Most of the time when I was stressed, my nose would be all stuffed up. When I was exposed to severe cold, my nose would react. I was also snoring heavily, and I had menopausal symptoms, especially hot flashes, and all those symptoms have slowly disappeared. I mean, I don't remember the last time I had a hot flash. I have lost at least 25 pounds, although my pictures don't show it, or maybe they do. I hide my weight well, but I think you'll see that, yes, I look a lot slimmer. In fact, I have lost that amount of weight and tons of inflammation. And I look like I've maybe lost 50 pounds instead of 25. I didn't weigh myself at first because I didn't want this to be about weight loss or about looking good. I was just desperate to find a way to be healthy, because I said to myself, although I'm 54 years old, I said, this is not right, and it is not a nice way of aging. So I imagined myself at 74 years old, not being able to get up, not being able to do anything, and I refused to continue accepting that kind of life. So thanks to my son and to Dr. Baker, who I joined in his Instagram, and I sometimes go and listen to his videos. I listen to his podcasts. I inform myself about the carnivore diet, and it really made a lot of sense. I've always read about nutrition, loved nutrition throughout my life, but really never came across the carnivore diet. So when I started listening to the information, following people, bright people who explain the science of the carnivore diet, it totally made sense to me. So I basically ditched all the garbage that I thought I knew, and I just started eating meat. And initially I ate a lot of meat, and then now I eat less, but I'm still satisfied. So I suppose in the beginning I was deprived of many nutrients, so my body wanted to recover. And I'm happy to say that I will not go back to the standard American diet or any other diet. I don't count calories, which is great. I exercise, but although I know it's important, but I have come to the realization that nutrition really is number one. And exercise, yes, helps, but it is secondary. First, it's what you ingest that will show and will just have the effects bad food has on your health, and good food, and what good food can do for you. So I'm happy to say that I'm a success story, and I thank my son because he is a gem, and I thank Dr. Baker and all those doctors who are gutsy enough to share true information and to really care about people. Thank you.